Welcome sa Sipnayan.com. This video tutuloy natin ating series on laws of exponents. No? So ito yung napag-aralan natin from the previous videos. A raised to m times a raised to n is equal to a raised to the m plus n. And then we have a raised to m over a raised to n, no? Is equal to a raised to m minus n, where m is greater than n. So hindi ko na-explain to kasi na-explain ko na sa previous videos, no? Kung gusto nyong malaman yung detalye nitong dalawang to, you can watch the previous videos. No? Now, in this case, no, yung sa law na to, mas malaki yung exponent nung nasa yung ating numerator. No? For example, a to the fourth over a cubed, this is equal to a to the 4 minus 3, which is a to the first power, or simply a. Now, question, paano namin kung mas malaki yung exponent sa denominator? Halimbawa, what is c cubed over c to the fifth? So, alam natin that c cubed is equal to c times c times c. Tapos yung c to the fifth is c times c times c times c times c. So, limang c's. Dito, tatlong c's. From the previous video, sabi natin, pag c over c or pag same variable, 1 yung exponent pareho, you can write them as 1 over 1 by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by c. Now, ito rin 1 over 1. Ito rin 1 over 1. Okay, so, wala na tayong pwede i-cancel. We can find the product of the numerator, 1 times 1 times 1. This is equal to 1. And the product of the denominator, 1 times 1 times 1 times c times c is c squared. Okay. So another example is, and another way is, for example, m to the 8th divided by m to the 5th. So mas malaki pa, baliktad, no? M to the 5th mas malaki yung nasa ibaba, no? M to the 8th power. So we can write this as m to the 5th. Ang m to the 8th by this law can be written as m raised to the 5th. Dapat meron tayong kapareho nito para pwede tayo mag-cancel, times m raised to the 3rd power, or m cubed. So we divide both the numerator and the denominator by m to the 5th. M to the 5th divided by m to the 5th is equal to 1. And then m to the 5th divided by m to the 5th is equal to 1. So our answer is 1 yung ating numerator and 1 times m cubed or m cubed yung ating denominator. So ano napapansin nyo? Parehong matitira sa taas ay 1. No? Kasi mas malaki nga yung exponent sa baba. So definitely, pag nag-cancel ka, puro 1 yung matitira sa taas. Which, yung product is equal to 1. No? Mas malaki dito. Secondly, we have, ano napapansin nyo sa 5, 3, tsaka sa 2? No? Nagma-minus tayo, no? Pero saan tayo nagma-minus? Sa ibaba, no? Yung 5 c's dito, tinanggal natin yung 3 c's. So we subtracted 3 from 5. So actually, c cubed over c to the 5th can be written as 1 over c raised to the 5 minus 3. So, which is equal to 1 over c squared. Also, m to the 5th divided by m to the 8th can be written as 1 na lang matitira, no? Sa taas. Tapos yung sa iba pa ay m raised to the 8 minus 5 because we're canceling out also yung 5m's, which is equal to 1 over m cubed. So in general, ibig sabihin, pag mas malaki pala yung exponent sa baba, if we have a raised to m, no? Maybe I should put it here. Kung meron pala tayong a raised to m over a raised to n, that is equal to 1 over a raised to, ano yung ima-minus natin? Alin? N ba? Ano ba yung una? N o M? Anong iuna natin dito? Yung n, n is the exponent of the base in the denominator. So, 8. 8 minus 5. So, n muna. N minus m. Yun nasa baba. 8 minus 5 tapos 5 minus 2. This is if n is less than, or n, this is if m is less than n. Okay? M is less than n. So ito, m is less than n. Ibig sabihin, mas maliit yung power nung numerator. Kaya siya nasa denominator. No? Okay, so that's it. Sa susunod na videos ay pagsasamahin na natin yung mga examples itong dalawang law na ito. Actually, isa lang naman yan kaso may mga different conditions lang. So, this part and this part, magbigay tayo ng more examples para mas ma-practice kayo. Wala pa nga tayong case na m is equal to n, di ba? Kasi yun ay magiging zero exponent na siya. And this is also connected to negative exponent, but we will discuss negative exponent later. At least nakikita lang natin dito kung paano siya nangyayari. Okay, that's it. I hope natuto kayo dito sa ating video. No? Gusto ko yung invite sa ating Facebook page, facebook.com/sipnayanph, and our YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/sipnayanph. Maraming salamat and see you in the next one.